Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got another Freightliner Coronado glider kit to show you. We're down to just a handful of these things, but this one is a 2018 Midroof, built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. It's got 280 on the miles, 289 on the miles. Nice truck. Gotten it hot this morning already for you. I'm gonna do a full walk around, show you oil pressure, blow by, tires, brakes, everything that you'd want to see as if you're standing here. Let's get started. There's your low side oil pressure, your temps up. Side as well. So this one's a midroof, full cabinets in the back, upgraded interior package, got chaparral button tuck in the back. Air rod front axle. Excellent steers. Detroit. A little bit of chrome peeling on the grab handle there. Couple cosmetic spots on this one. You got a little bit of damage on the running board there. Not a major fix, but it's there. And your Coronados are common to start peeling on this chrome package here on the side. This one's got a few various places where it is. The only other spot on this side, you've got some cracking around the rivet there on the extender. Other than that, your body and paint is in excellent shape. Frame rails look good. Rear drop, matching virgin drops on the back. Really good shape. Excellent brakes as well. Side your frame rails look good. Rear end looks good. Overall, nice truck, low miles. Hard to find glider kit. Not building them anymore, so they're drying up. If you want this one or got questions on it or anything else, feel free to give me a shout. 901-896-4526. You can also reach me at joey@truckmarket.com by email. Thanks for watching.